Oh, they left in the mid 1800s. By the 19th century, my family that was originally living here basically moved out, and they traveled with a family called the Rice family that had major working in Kauai, Honolulu. Um, so when I finally moved back home here, when Jerice wanted to have another baby, and I was just really feeling that it would be an honor, you know, to my ancestors to actually have another home birth of our bloodline of the same birthplace of all my ancestors. And so that's when I found out that Clay's uncle, sorry, his wife was a midwife, and I really was, well, my wife already had 2 home births, so it was just like divine timing, you know, that we would be living here still, and just reconnecting that family line of being born in the same valley of your ancestors was just very very emotional. Linda was there. It was very emotional for me. If I continue to keep talking, I'll probably shed some tears because it was just
It's
very
okay, it's okay, man.
it's very deep, you know. And we were blessed to have Linda. She was definitely sent by the Most High, you know, and only God can give you somebody with such knowledge and understanding of how it's really originally done than how it has to always be in a hospital and, like, you know, all of that. And we're just like, I was always just very against it. And when me and my wife met and she was ready to have a baby, I was just like, oh man, whole bubbling inside. That day when she was ready to give birth, I was just, Linda, what do I have to do? Just boil water. Just keep boiling water, Tony. And just listen to your wife and let her say what she has to. Let her squeeze your hand, whatever. So it was really awesome. I can't tell you enough how honored I was to have such a beautiful woman do that for me. And he's a handful. Yeah, Evie?
No, I'm not. I'm a good
Beautiful.
handful.
But he's a great boy. He's,
Pretty boy.
good spirited,
Yeah.
and that's what we always wanted. Just good spirited,
So I'm
you know.
a sweet boy.
Yeah, Evie? Sorry, give me a minute.
Hi.
Oh, I love your
Say hi.
his voice is so rich. I wanted to have that music feel the sound. Did you get it ready? Well, it has to be closer. Is it on? So maybe I'll have you hold this one.
Box.
So
Oh,
sorry.
yeah?
You can put it somewhere, or you just hold it
Do
there.
you want to
That's
say
good.
something, Evie?
Ano
Yeah?
Hanoi Loa?
You say I was ready to come out when I finally came out? Yay! Thank God we had Linda. Yeah? Yeah?
So, your husband or your partner was saying how he was so moved by, you know, being able to give birth here in the land where his ancestors had given birth. And it really moved me to hear him say it. How do you feel about that, and what was it like for you?
I just, crazy.
So much fun.
Yeah, so much fun pushing out babies. No, it's such a special time, you know, but I rather just be, I mean, I feel if you're in any space of yours is more just, you can be who you want to be. Yeah. Yeah. And it was nice that we were all the way out here this time. But I think, you know, if you're home and you're around loved ones, that's really where you want to be. Yeah, kohaku. Hey, be good girl. But it was very special. Yeah. Yeah. It was very special. He really wanted it here, and I just really wanted to be home.
And how did you sort of come to that? Because it sounds like you have known about this way of birthing.
Yeah, I've had 3 home births, and yeah, I'd rather be in my own space. Yes, I don't care for hospitals at all, or all that, not at all. Yeah, yeah. My 2 first home births were good experiences too. We've had no complications, so it's good. Yeah.